So we've got quite a bit of blue stuff. This all arrived in, what, yesterday, right? Oh, no, today.
Today, it just came in like
literally
half
just
an hour
today.
ago.
Yeah.
So educate me.
All right, so DCC Concepts, quite a well.
Concepts.
Yep.
I'm going to go to the overhead and you're going to tell me a little bit about each and every product that we're looking at.
All right, I can do that.
Pretend I don't know exactly what I'm looking at.
I don't need to pretend that.
Exactly. What have we got here?
All right, so these are dowels to help you align your track. So it could come in handy for especially all those 009, 309 people who like
Are they magnetic? Or
I don't think
they're...
No, they don't screw together. They're little. They've got little domes kind of on it, or like one's a dome, the other one's like a recess.
Yeah.
And they just kind of like slot in together. You've got to drill I think like a 10 mil hole or something on there.
Bang it in.
Yep, bang it straight in, and away you go. And they can help you do it when you're setting everything up.
Module layout.
Yeah, and they get the same alignment every time, right?
These look like Tony Gray's nail clippers.
They might be Tony Gray's nail clippers, but
when you're not clipping nails with them, what are they for?
Cutting track. So for everyone, yeah, believe it or not.
Code 100.
Code 100, code 83, code 75.
This will cut it.
Yep. And these are the heavy track cutters as well. So they should cut through quite a fair bit. Very good for like all your flex track.
So that's tough stuff.
Yeah.
And it snips it.
Yep. Straight off.
There you go.
Clean off. We also have the controller caddy. So for all those people who need somewhere to place your DCC
NC power cab.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. It'll slide straight in, slide straight back out.
Do they have it on a belt? Do they have a belt one?
No,
unfortunately not. I'd like to get one on the belt.
That would be nice. You could probably modify it to put it on a belt.
Yeah, a belt buckle.
Yeah, make it a belt buckle.
It could be like a cowboy. Then,
yeah. Draw. All right.
What is this thing?
This is a point motor. So this one's a digital one.
Point motor?
Yep.
Why has it got like 20 terminal pins on
it? Because it's DCC Concepts. So it's made to more or less plug and play. So you kind of just like plug in your wires and away you go.
So you can put your signals and everything to this. Lights, signals.
I'm
assuming. It's got a lot of channels.
Yeah, I think so. There's ways that you can hook it all up. I can't remember.
It's a lot different than just the old Pico solenoid, right?
Yeah, the Pico solenoid just has 2 wires, whereas this one's got those 2 wires and then a couple others to go along with it as well.
A couple of others?
Yeah. So there's one of these. Yeah, it's just a couple.
That's comprehensive.
Yeah.
That's going to keep you busy.
Yeah.
Oh, here you go.
This we've been waiting on for a while.
Have we?
Yep, yeah. All our decoders. So this one that you've got in your hands here is a 6-pin.
6-pin. What's that going to go in?
Usually a lot of smaller things.
No.
What?
Which one?
Which one?
Does it go in Gordon?
No, it won't go in Gordon. I mean, you could put it in Gordon if you tried. You just have to hardwire it.
What's this one?
This one's a 21 pin.
Everything's 21.
Everyone's 21 pin. Yeah.
Yeah? There's a lot of 21 pin.
Yep. A lot of 21 pin, a lot of 18 pin.
This is 21 pin.
This is 21
I
pin.
can see it, isn't it? So this chip is for this loco.
Yep.
All right, we'll talk about that in a minute.
Yep.
And then we've got lots of different pinages.
Yep.
8 pin.
Yep. Yeah, so the next 2 are both 8 pin, but they're different sizes. So there's an incredibly small one that you're holding upside down. Little nano one.
Oh, this one?
That one, yeah. And then there's another one as well. It's meant to be a mini one, so it's not quite as small as this, but it's...
Wouldn't you always want the smallest one possible or not necessarily?
Depends on what you want. I think your bigger ones tend to come with a bit more functions and that. Okay. So whereas your smaller ones tend to just be your...
And these will all go straight
running
into locos in most applications.
Yeah.
And they'll pair straight to your NCE power cab and off you go.
Basically.
Well, I'm a basic person. That's all we need to basically know.
No, I'm glad you have some basic knowledge then.
I'm in a right mess.
You are in a right mess.
I'm gonna where's my little table? Where's my little table here?
Was it Tony's fault?
I know. We'll just leave this to the side.
Yeah.
Otherwise we're getting a mess. What are we saying here? What have we got here? Tell us about this.
So this is one of the big 4 locomotives.
I can see that.
From England. Yep.
But there's only one. Why does it say the big 4? Oh, because it's a big 4 collection.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So the big 4 companies in England were the GWR, Southern Rail, LNER, and the LMS. So there are 3 other locos that you can kind of see on the side of the box you can get that are meant to be part of the big 4 collection. But this is the Southern Rail one, or Southern...
So when it says DCC ready, just means it's DC.
Yeah.
but
Yep.
it does have the connector there, so you can just plug the chip straight in.
Yep.
Yep.
Pretty much. Yep. And away you go.
Joyous Guard. This one is that right? Is that what I'm reading?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, some of them have names. So, like, there's Caldecott Castle over here as well. There's a Hermit up here. And then the LMS just had, like, classifications.
So
like
these are the
Fowler,
other
but, yeah.
three
Yep.
that make the big four collection.
Yep.
LNER Hermit.
Yep.
LMS Fowler.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a nice color.
Oh, it's a beautiful color. I've always loved the LMS red.
And the GWR Caddelcott Castle. Caddelcott?
Maybe. There's some funny pronunciations for England. Often it's Welsh. Not always though.
There's a lot of Welsh in rail, isn't there?
There is a lot of Welsh in rail. They had a lot of rails in Welsh.
Yeah?
Yeah, or in Wales.
I think it's
Oh,
in
yeah.
Wales.
Oh, yeah.
There's a
Nicely
loco in
packaged.
there.
There is a loco in there.
Are you going to
So
take it out, or are you too
I can
scared?
take it out. No,
What's
I'm
up
not
to you?
scared.
What do you mean? You sure?
Yeah,
Are you allowed to?
I'm allowed
It
to.
comes with a certificate of authenticity, my friend.
It does.
So these are limited to 500 pieces worldwide,
Uh-huh.
and we are lucky enough
To have one of them.
to win 348.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't drop it, otherwise the person will see it, and we can't say, "Oh, that was the other one you dropped."
No, yeah.
It's the only one that we have, right?
Oh, except for that other one that we have.
Number 347.5.
Yeah. There we go. That's it down there on the there.
What can you tell me about this? Do you know about this train?
I don't know a lot about its history, but there's a little bit on the side of the box here. So
You're
N15
cheating.
class.
That's what I do.
What do you mean?
I could have read the side of the box.
Oh, you can read it if you want still.
Nah, it's all right. You can read it. I'm going to show
So-
the train.
Okay, you can show the train.
I'm going to show
So-
the train.
So this is the N15 class, introduced in 1918 by Robert Urey, also known as King Arthur class, being named after persons and places associated with legend of King Arthur and the Round Table. So that's why this one's called Joyous Guard. I don't know if you can see the name
all
there
that.
on that zoom in. It's a
Look
little
at the
hard.
copper pipework.
Oh
Copper?
yeah,
Brass.
no, it'll be copper.
Copper
Some
back
of
then.
this part over here looks almost brass, but most of it would be copper.
Look at that down here.
Yeah.
It's really tonal.
Oh yeah,
Really,
absolutely.
Really nice. So
Yeah.
it's a 460,
Yep.
is it? Or 468?
No, 460. They don't count the tender with the wheel arrangement.
But it needs a tender to run.
It does, yes.
It's false advertising.
Well, let me know when you make a steam
Look at this.
locomotive. Yeah, so you got your safety valves up there, and then all the coal and that on the top of the tender.
That's just fake coal.
It is just fake coal,
It looks
unfortunately.
pretty real. Well, not that
It
I've
looks pretty
seen
good.
coal lately. When's the last time you shoveled coal?
I don't think I've ever shoveled coal. Have you?
Mm-mm.
No, not since you worked in the mines as a young lad.
That's right.
Fair
Not
enough.
since I broke out of the mines.
Not since you broke out.
Talk
had to-
about shoveling coal. Young
Yeah.
Will James is over at Goulburn running amok. I believe he's out there.
Yes, yeah, he's made
Goulburn
a
train show or exhibition or
yeah. There's an exhibition on this weekend.
So if you jump on his socials, I bet he's plastering it with sneaky photos of trains because he's out
He might
train
be.
spotting in video and stuff, but maybe a lot of post production stuff.
Yeah,
So hello to Will James.
he'll be traveling up there for some time. It's a long road trip, Brett.
Have you seen him drive?
No, I haven't.
Long distances are covered very quickly.
I bet.
There you go.
Go straight
How
up
much
the
is get
hill.
in the box.
There's some extra little details as well. So like you usually get your brake rigging and everything to go along with it. This one's got, I believe I saw a driver and a fireman in there. Oh yeah, but you have to paint them up. So they're all black at the moment.
But they would have been black anyway from all the coal.
They would have, yeah. So it's probably more realistic that way, right? But yeah, a few little detail bits to go along
You
with
could
it.
just do
Part
the
of the-
eyeballs white or something, and the teeth. Well, they probably English didn't have white teeth, did they?
No, I don't think they had teeth at all.
Yellow.
Anyway,
I'm not winning many hearts, am I?
No, you'll be fine. It's only the English we're offending, right?
That's okay. I can say because I am English, so that's okay.
But yeah,
Make sure you put that.
Nice little
look at that.
model.
I like that. Just confident, bang, straight in there.
straight in,
No
cover it
mucking
up.
around,
Away
and
you
then
go.
that's it. It's not to come out of there again. We won't even put this one on display, right? It's going to stay in the box.
And we could put it on display if you want.
I don't know. Well, I
Probably
reckon
more
it'll
interesting to
sold-
be
I
on
reckon
display,
it'll be sold by the end of the show. Is
It might
everything,
be.
is everything okay? There's a loud snap.
Yeah, that's just the box going back together. The sound of the plastic rubbing on each other.
So like I was saying before, if you didn't see our morning live before, we did one at like 9:30, did it install live. Kieran was playing with his, or demonstrating his G-scale steam train.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
That's a proper steam train. Gas powered.
Yep.
Water driven steam train.
Yep.
Yeah.
Can't get much more steam than that.
So it's pretty cool. So look out for that, and I'm really excited to see that. How did the video go?